chlorine. Like, she's chill. And then she goes, I already told you about this. The ivermectin, dude, it was something else. It's the 15 Pro. It's got all the 3 cameras.
There were 3 of them.
Yeah, there's 3 of them.
And you can even change which one it's using while you're... Okay, Johnny, what are you doing today? What are you teaching your classmates how to accomplish?
My name is Jonathan Little, and my demonstration speech is how to put a car on a lift. First, before you do this, you want to make sure that you've got everything out of the car that you might need. Now restart. Well, you don't have to film. You can just...
No, you just keep filming. And then you have B-roll to make your subject look silly.
B-roll on my 2.5-minute speech.
Why not?
Because it's goofy.
That's exactly why you do B-roll.
My name is Jonathan Little. For my demonstration speech for communications, I'm not.
Don't overthink it.
It's like hard to do this with you goofing off back there. Hi, my name is Jonathan Little, and for my demonstration speech, I'm showing you how to put a car on a lift. Popping the hood. Before you put a car on a lift, it's important to always pop the hood first and remove any items that you might need. Otherwise, you'll have to put the car back down again to grab them out during the work. When you pull a car onto a lift, you want to make sure that the mass is balanced, and because the engine is in the front, mass is slightly farther towards the front of the car, and you want to pull it farther back. You also need to make sure that the car is positioned correctly left and right, so that there's equal spacing on both sides. So you take your lift arm, pull it around this here, and put it there on your jack point. Every car has factory lift points on 4 corners of the car, and you want to put the pad of the lift arm under that point. You see here, our lift point is right here. Repeat this on all 4 corners of the vehicle. Just like that. After putting the lift arms under all 4 factory lift points on the car, you want to raise it a few inches and perform a bumper check. Here on the lift controls, you can see your raise button and your lowering lever.
We should cut this off.
You don't have to. No. You don't. It's part of the system.
But it's not legal.
Yes, it is. What's illegal about it?
It's not OSHA compliant.
It's not OSHA compliant.
Here, there we go. Now it's not going to be in the shot.
So here on the lift controls, you can see that we have the button to raise the car and the lever to lower it. To raise the car a few inches, you just press the button. And there you are. A bumper check makes sure that the lift points are stable and that the car won't fall off the lift. That's good.
I think you should say something about the coolant dripping from the bottom of the car and why you're putting it in the air.
For B-roll?
Uh-huh.
Just like, don't worry about the coolant. It's not even, that's just water, actually, from rain. That's water from rain.
Let me get this shot wide. Except I don't want to show that the garage door doesn't work correctly, so.
Once you perform a bumper check, raise the car to your desired height, and then lower to sit on the locks.
Man, we should make more videos, Johnny. This is fun.
I want to make more videos.
This is a good time.
We should make more videos. Once you've performed the work you need to do on the car, to lower it, you need to raise it just a hair, and then you can remove the safety locks. Once you've raised the car a few inches, simply pull this red tab to release the safety lock on this side. Repeat the process on the other side. You can now lower the car.